Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So a lot of people ask me questions related how do we know that a succulent is well hydrated. Now basically by the look of the succulent you will get to know whether a succulent is hydrated or not. Over here you can see this is a perfect example of a well hydrated succulent. Now how I can say is the first instance when you look at the succulent you will see that all of the leaves are plump. There are no wrinkles on the lower leaves as well as on the upper leaves as well. The succulent looks completely well hydrated. This is the first sign you can determine whether your succulent is hydrated or not by just the first look, that there are no wrinkles present. Another important thing, another feature or another sign is you will be able to see that the leaves are not too wide open, not too closed inwards. They are at a perfect angle. You can see nor they are wide open nor they are completely closed inwards. This is another sign that your succulent is well hydrated. Another sign, I would say that don't do this quite often, but in case if you're quite worried, if you want to check, you can just touch the leaf. I would say the lower leaf is better to touch because that's something that is going to be quite low. So you can touch those leaves and you'll feel that the leaf is very stiff. It's not soft, it's not mushy. At the same time, it's not very watery, it's not transparent. Just like how the stem tends to feel, it is going to be hard, it's going to be very stiff, and it's going to be slightly bouncy, I would say. Like this, when you see, when I'm trying to press the leaf, you can see it's very stiff, it's slightly rubbery. So that indicates that the succulent is well hydrated. At this point of time, you should not water. The succulent is well hydrated, it's not underwatered, it's not overwatered, it is at a perfect balance. That means that your watering schedule is on point, which means that your succulent is neither underwatered nor overwatered. It's at a perfect balance. So you can see, I'm going to press the leaf, you can see it's slightly stiff but not very soft. So all of the leaves are going to be like that. But the first two signs, as I said, that's going to come the moment you're going to look at the succulent. No wrinkles present, the leaves are not wide open, the leaves are not completely closed inwards, they are at a perfect angle. So this indicates that your succulent is well hydrated. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.